Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the dimension watch in Invision Web Verse. First, navigate to your project dashboard within Invision. Select the specific prototype you wish to inspect for dimensions. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to access and utilize the measurement tools. We aim to make your design inspection process as smooth and efficient as possible, saving you valuable time and effort. Once your prototype is open, look for the Inspect tab, usually found at the top or side of your screen. Clicking this tab activates the inspection mode, which is crucial for viewing design details. This mode provides a comprehensive overview of your design specifications, including colors, fonts, and, most importantly, dimensions. It's your gateway to understanding every pixel of your project. With Inspect mode active, simply hover your mouse cursor over any design element on your screen. You will immediately see its width and height displayed in pixels. For more detailed information, click on an element to lock its dimensions and other properties in the sidebar. This allows for precise measurement and ensures accuracy when communicating design specifications to your development team or collaborators. Beyond hovering, Invision offers advanced measurement tools. You can select two elements to see the exact distance between them, both horizontally and vertically. This feature is incredibly useful for ensuring consistent spacing and alignment throughout your design. Furthermore, you can easily export these specifications, providing your developers with all the necessary information for a seamless and accurate implementation of your design vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.